is it going? Welcome back to my channel. You know I'm Natalia Suri and this is the world of books, mythology and mysteries. And yes, my today's video are 5 book recommendations on the topic of Tantra and Tantrics. And yes, you must be thinking out there that Tantra and Tantric is those scary and those spooky topics which are going to make you perhaps a cat or a dog with the magical powers. But let me tell you, that is not the truth. We have such misconceptions about the whole topic of Tantra and Tantrics, but the reality is that they are the truth of the universe if understood well. This is the reason that I'm recommending 5 books on the topic of Tantra, which perhaps if you have got the interest, you should read and break those misconceptions that the Tantrics have the power to make you a cow or a dog. That's not the truth. If you read these books, you will realize what is the truth of the universe and what is the real meaning of life. So let us start. My first book recommendation is a book by Osho, The Book of Secrets, the 112 Meditations to Discover the Mystery Within. Now, as the book suggests, he has suggested 112 meditation techniques. This book will break a lot of misconceptions on the topic of Tantra. He defines Tantra as a technique, and yes, a technique which was kept as a secret by a small group of people. He has brought it forward. So this book with its meditation techniques is going to help you to understand your own real self. So this is the reason I'm recommending you to read this book, to understand the real meaning of meditation. He suggests 112 styles of doing it. So that is another way. If you are not interested in Tantra, perhaps you could read it to know the techniques of meditation. So I'm suggesting you to read this book. My second book recommendation is Kulnarva Tantra by Arthur Avalon. Kulnarva Tantra is the foremost Tantra of the Kaula school. And if you don't know, it is an authority in Tantric literature. This book emphasizes how to know your own self, your own body, through japs, through mantras and through meditation. So this is the reason I'm recommending you this book. It will give you an insight into a lot of japs, mantras and the techniques of meditation. Another important aspect about this book is an insight when we all follow gurus. Somewhere we have a teacher, a mentor, whatever name you may give that person. But this book will give you an insight as to what is the real work of a guru and what is the real work of a disciple. Hence this book is a guide as to which guru should you follow and how to choose your guru and how does the guru really choose the disciple. So yes, this is another good book to read if you have got interest on such a topic. My third book recommendation is The Serpent Power, The Secret of Tantric and Shaktic Yoga, again by Arthur Avalon. This book is my favorite. Now, if you are one of those who has got a lot of interest in Tantra and the philosophies behind it, and yes, another thing, this book is not for the average reader out there because it goes into the deep intricacies of it. When The Serpent Power is said, the first reaction which comes to our mind is that this book would be on the topic of Kundalini. Yes, it is. What is it? What are the details? And yes, this book is very important if you want to learn the deep philosophies, to know the real power of Tantra. What is Tantra, the ultimate truth of the universe? You must read this book if you are into philosophy. And if spiritualism and occult sciences is your taste, then you can't leave this book. My fourth book recommendation is Aghora, The Left Hand of God by Roberts of Bode. He has done a great job by writing everything down from what he learned from his teacher. I know your first reaction would be that this is the book that's going to tell you how to become an Aghori. No, this is not the truth. It is not that crash course book out there to teach you how to become an Aghori. Rather, it is the journey of one such person observed from very close quarters. The beauty of this book is, this book teaches you what is karma. We have always heard people saying, do good karmas. Karma is a bitch. Karma reflects back in your life. We have those concepts out there, but what is karma? What is the science behind it? How to apply it? The logical part of it? The intricacies of it? This is what this book is going to guide you. And let me tell you in a very, very practical way. So if you have those misconceptions that you have to do some rituals and bring in those expensive flowers and those exotic things, no, that's not the case. case, it's a very, very simple book giving you an insight how to control your karmas and be there and have the true presence of your karma when you are doing the actions. So this was the beauty of this book, which I really enjoyed when I read it. My last book recommendation in the series today is Tantric Kali by Daniel Odier. The topic of Kashmiri Shaivism has been a very secretive topic, with very few people having the true knowledge of it. Kali rituals have been translated for the very first time. Devotional chants, mudras specific to Kali has what been discussed in this book. Kali. Now who is she? She sprang from the third eye of goddess Durga. This book dedicates itself to discussing practices around goddess Kali, the chants, the mantras, the mudras around her, which have been a secret in Kashmiri Shaivism but has been translated for the very first time in this book. This book gives an insight into the terrifying manifestation of feminine power. Yes, that how dangerous it can be, but that is a separate part. But this book is especially for those who have got a lot of faith in Kali and yes, to do the right practices. So these are my 5 book recommendations. As I said, that we have a lot of misconceptions of Tantra and Tantrics, that they are the people out there who have got those powers which I told you, perhaps to make you a cow or a dog, I don't know, but perhaps after reading these books your misconceptions would break and you would realize that the power of Tantra is to make you a better human being and to complete the journey of your soul. Yes. And yes, thank you so much for listening. As usual, I'll be back soon with another video. Do tell me in the comment section what kind of videos would you like to see in the future. It would be my greatest pleasure to bring them. And yes, you know what you need to do. Do take care of your health, keep smiling. And before I go, as usual, do check out my blog www.nataliasuri.com. I have posted a latest article, Who is the Jade Emperor of China? Now, who is the Jade Emperor? You'll only come to know once you check out that blog. The links are in the description box below. Do check them out. And the links to a few of my videos are also there in the description box. Do check them out. And I'll be seeing you soon. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much for listening. Bye-bye.